Oh my goodness, y'all, I figured it out.
Hey bot builders, welcome to Build a Bot Basics, the place where everyday creators learn how to build powerful AI agents. Today, we're kicking things off by answering a simple but crucial question. What exactly is an AI agent? And why is everyone talking about them? If you've heard terms like AutoGPT, AI assistant, or agentic AI but still feel confused, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what AI agents are, what they do, and how you can start building one, even with zero coding skills. Think of an AI agent like your digital assistant, but smarter. It's not just giving you answers. It can think, plan, and take actions based on your goals. For example, instead of just writing an email, an AI agent could research the recipient, draft the email, attach the right files, and even schedule it for you automatically. That's because AI agents are designed to complete multi-step tasks, not just single commands. ChatGPT is awesome, but it usually responds one message at a time. AI agents go further. They operate more like a team of tools, combining memory, decision-making, and even connecting to apps like Gmail, Notion, or Slack to get things done for you. You can build agents for just about anything: a virtual assistant that books appointments, a bot that manages your social media posts, a customer support rep that answers DMs, even a sales agent that qualifies leads. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech expert to do it. There are tons of free and low-code tools to get started, like AgentGPT, AutoGPT, or even building with Zapier plus OpenAI. In upcoming videos, I'll walk you through building your first AI agent step by step. No coding required. If that sounds exciting, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're just getting started. Next up, I'll show you how to build your very first AI agent in under 15 minutes. Drop a comment below and let me know. What task do you wish an AI agent could do for you?